Hello, good day guys. My name is Solution Ahmed, and in this video section, I'll be walking you through how you can validate phone numbers of countries, worldwide countries. I'll be introducing you to a software that you have been expecting that can do the job perfectly for you. Before I delve into the practical aspects, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, can you do something for me? Can you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you get notified once I drop new videos. Now, this software is a very powerful software. It's a two-in-one software. What do I mean by two-in-one? Most of the times when you want to validate numbers, you will need to generate those numbers before you validate. But this software is different. It generates and validates at the same time. So you don't need to generate any number before you can validate. So what this software does is that once you input the code of the country that you want to validate, it will generate the numbers and it validates it automatically. You are getting a two-in-one activity inside one software. So what it does is that it generates and validates the number automatically for you. So now let me quickly go over this software and let's see how it works. So this is the software, so you double click on it. So it's still loading up. This is the software. So now you can see the countries that are there, and some countries are not here. But if you just pick any number at random, it will generate those countries for you. Okay, before I get into that, let me just quickly go over this. I want you to think about the software that you can open it in multiple times. So you can open it in multiple times so that you can start validating as many countries as possible. Now let's say I want to generate and validate at the same time from South Africa. So South Africa is what 199. So I'll just type 199. I'll click enter. You can see it has started validating. You can see it's generating and validating at the same time. If you see here, you can see valid. You can see it will keep validating the number, generating and validating at the same time. Okay, the price comes because it will validate these numbers unlimitedly. There is no amount because we didn't set an amount. So if you leave this number, it will start generating and validating millions and millions and millions and millions of validated numbers for you. Now let me say, okay, this one is still working. I will minimize this. I will reopen another one. You can see another one will open. Another one will open. You can see. Let me say I want to do for, let me say Finland. Finland is 72. I'll just type 72. I will click enter. You can see that it has started validating. I will minimize this also. I will double click on it also. Let me say I want to do for France. France is 73. So France is 73. You can see it has started validating. So I will minimize this also. I will also click on this. Let me go to the upper part and let me pick another country. So let me say I want to pick let's say okay. Let's say Paraguay. Paraguay is 165. I'll click on it. So you can see that it will start generating. Now let me minimize this also, and let me also click on it. You can see you can validate as many countries as possible. There is no limit, so you can keep opening the software. It will open on a new fresh note. So let me pick another number that is not here. Now I told you, like you can see, let me pick another number that is not here. You can pick between 1 to 240. So let me pick another number that is not here. 208, 209. Let me pick something like 220, 101. So you can see 112. So there is no 201. So let me just type 201. There is no 201, but let me just type 201. You can see, based on the fact that 201 is not here, but it picked the country that belongs to that code, like that are the programmed. for you to be able to approve. So you might not see all the countries there, but once you start picking some numbers at random, 201, 222, 111, 192, to start populating all different countries that has that code for you. Now what I will do is that I will just minimize this. I will go to the, you can see it here, you can see that it has sorted the countries. Now let's confirm if these numbers are actually valid. Let me go to Finland first. Let me sort this by size. Let me sort by size. So let me go to this one. It's Elisa. Now I don't know what is Elisa network, but let me just copy this number. I want to confirm this number is valid. Now I'll go to a website called verifone.io. So you can sign up. They will give you 1,000 free credits. Verifone.io. So once you sign up, you paste the numbers here. You click on verify. Let's see this number is. You can see Elisa. You can see Finland Elisa is mobile. That is the network. You can see the Elisa. Now let me pick another one. Let me pick this one. Multiple solutions on this. Let me pick a number here. Let's see if it is valid or not. So I'm going to go back to the website. I will paste the number here. Nokia solutions, you can see Nokia solutions and network, you can see it is valid. Now we'll go to another country. So let me go to South Sudan. You can see I think South Sudan is the 201 I picked. So let me say I want to network of the world. So let me say I want to pick a number here. Let me just pick one number down like this. Let me pick any number here, copy it. Then I'll go to the website here. I'll paste it. Then click on verify. You can see network of the world. That is the. You can see that it corresponds. So let me go to another country, Paraguay. So let me go to maybe this. Let me pick a number here also. Copy. So let me just pick. Let me just paste it here. Paste it here. Let me see. Tigo Vox. You can see its sources. There's two Vox. So you can see that it's valid. Let's go to South Africa, or let's say France. Let me see. Let me go to this long one. Let me see. Okay, I have one number here. Let me just copy this number. Let me copy this number. Let me go to the website. Okay, let me paste it. You can see China Telecom France Limited. You can see that it is correct. So this is how to validate. If you can see my cursor here, you can see that the numbers are still validating. You can see 6,000, 4,000, second one, 4,000, 2,000, 1,000. You can see that is how it will start validating. If you leave it for like hours, I'm very sure you'll be getting hundreds and thousands of validated numbers, and you can use for your SMS marketing. So guys, so this is all about the software, and this software is a very, very powerful one. Now there's a link below to get the software. To get the software, just click on the link below to get the software and start validating and start your own SMS marketing. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Till then, my name is Solution.